right, so for everybody on the call, I was going to kind of go over this. Glider kits are no longer basically able to be made anymore. There's a small exception to that, but in general, they're no longer made. What are glider kits? Glider kits are emission workarounds. It was invented before ELDs, and it was kind of put together before ELDs were even a thing. But a glider kit is basically putting an older engine in a newer truck, like a newer chassis, but the engine's older. Why? Because older engines didn't need all this DEF and emissions. So glider kits were not made to circumvent ELDs, but the ELD rule said any truck with a 99 or older engine, is exempt from an ELD. So that makes these glider kits and these glider trucks prized possession to some drivers, because they could have a 2016 glider, 2018 glider, and it has a 1998 engine, and they don't need ELDs, even though the truck looks new, the engine's older.